It's late in the evening, yeah.
So
My mind loud. I'm out in the deep end, yeah. Have so many doubts.
These are my sofas, guys. Let's deep wash these sofas together. Hi lovelies, welcome again to my vlog, and today I just want to spend my day with you, so that we can be able to clean my house and do some house chores as our housewife in Germany. You remember on my other vlog that I vlogged before, I told you guys I love to wash my sofas in summer, and now this time I decided to make this vlog and wash my house with you and also wash my sofas together. So let's dig in, because guys, who doesn't want to wash their sofas in summer? So I was done with my sofas and now I was doing my chairs, and these sofas was a little bit dirty, by the way. Sometimes when you're living alone, you can think that you don't need to wash your sofas, or when you live without kids, you can think, oh, I don't need to deep clean my house all the time. But my dear, in summer is the time that you came to realize that your house is very dirty. So pay attention to your house in summer. So I was done cleaning and my sofas were dry after 4 hours, guys. So that is the final of the house.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed, cause baby I got you.
Come, twende unisaidie kuosha choo. So I will have to use this. Forgive me for today.
Some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn, cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better.
So as you all know that deep cleaning the house needs patience, time, and also you need to calm down, because you have to take break after break. Especially after I was cleaning the sofas, I was so a little bit tired. I made some lunch, eat, and then I took a break and go back to work again. So I love to deep clean my toilet like almost every Saturday, guys, because toilet is where the most you visit it so much, you know, like all the time you're in the toilet. Anja kubwa, anja doko. So you have to deep clean it. And at this moment, I was like done. And yes, my dear, enjoy the vlog.
I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore.
Unajua, I take my cleaning very serious. Mimi naoshanga na mob, guys, kama Kenya. Anyway, you see now I was done. Nilikuwa nimemaliza. And now it's time to go to clean that balcony. Jamani, nakwambia. Sababu, yani kwanza hii balcony was the worst one. Sababu, you know, a lot of times especially in winter, we ignore balconies. I don't know even how many times I normally sit there. I think I sit on my balcony, especially in winter time, because, not in winter, sorry, in summertime, because watching sunset, enjoying. In winter, you cannot even step your foot outside because it's so cold. And you can imagine for 6 months, you wash, it's cold, but especially in summer, there's a lot of sand, or wind comes with the sand inside and all that. So kuna ile fumbi kidogo. So guys, yes, even nakwambia na deep clean nyumba. Nikisema ni deep clean nyumba, wapenzi, naosha nyumba sana. So continue enjoying the vlog anyway. Mnaona vile naosha na nini? Na duster. We naoshanga kama ushago, jamani. Ebu enjoy. And my dear, if you like the vlog, imagine comment, like, and share with your friends, you know, share with anybody, just share. Enjoy, my darling.
I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love.
So at this point, I just done cleaning everything, balcony, toilet, other place, which I don't like to show. It's my private places. Anyway, maybe one day I will show you. And at this time, I was having just a glass of wine with my husband who was back home. And then I get ready to go for dinner. We had a dinner date at the same time to go and enjoy ourselves out. So guys, before the sun goes down, we have to go for dinner and then we come back to continue enjoying. So come, let's go and get ready.
I'm a diva tonight, gonna sparkle in the light. Oh, you can't bring me down, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah, I'm unstoppable, unstoppable pup. Whoa, shining like a star, hear me holler up, unbreakable.
Delilah, Delilah, why you wanna bring me so? Delilah, Delilah, why you wanna bring me so? I can tell you've been mixing from the sign you've been given. How you so dangerous? Have you played enough? Know me straighten up, know me waking up. Fine, fine girl, she want me. Give her my love, only. Till my love, she got me. She do me that, she do me. Fine, fine girl, she want me. Give her my love, only. Till my love, she got me. She do me that, she do me. Delilah, Delilah, why you wanna bring me so?
Guys, hizo nilikuwa nataka zimekataa. Imebidi I got this my Gucci scarf, you know. Nini nikasema let me put it like that, at least inanipea a good view like that. So yeah, hizo zingine zimekataa guys, ni kubwa, zinataka nywele zile refu, you know. Yeah, so we are going first to see my father-in-law. Lakini mgonjwa, he is very sick. Tunaenda kumuona kwanza, ako hospitali amelazwa. And then we go for kitu inaitwa dinner. You know? Yes guys. So nimemaliza. Kujeni twende, alafu nitawaonyesha the full view. Hakuna, it's very hot, 40 degrees. Guy, huwezi kuvaa vitu hata high heel, nakwambia matako hata zina sweat. So finally I'm done. This is my full outfit. And then I have my bag. And then my earrings, my watch, and I'm done. So guys, come, let's go to eat.
Make plans on me, come fly, make land on me. Delilah, Delilah.
Underground, actually. In winter, they also have a bar downstairs here. I think so, because last time I saw it. Oh, let's see this. This functions only in, I think, in winter time. Yeah. So, ladies' toilet. This is always our favorite restaurant here in our city. We love to go here so much. But nowadays, there's something that we came to realize with my husband. We've been here for several times, but nowadays when my husband eat food here, when we arrive home, he's starting to throw up. Now in 2 times we have been going and come back, and then he start to throw up. And you know what? I feel like we have to change this restaurant. We are not gonna come here anymore, because also there's a story I'm gonna give you guys. I did not like it, but the service, the girls, everything is nice. Cheers to a good life. Yes. So that was my food, my meal. But let me tell you about this meat. I did not eat it, my darlings. I did not eat it cause ilikuwa ngumu. Sijui ni nini, the supplier. I had my only salad. And my husband was having schnitzel. Yes. So did we have 1 bite, 2 bite? I kuenda, guys. And now I'm back home. And I started to shave myself. And after shaving myself, I am going straight to sit on the balcony with my hubby and enjoy sunset. Because the dinner was disappointing, guys. We really got disappointed. My husband also arrived home and he started to vomit, imagine. And my food was not really, guys. It's not so, it was expensive and it's not worth it, guys. That's why sometimes I love to go cheap. I love to eat cheap restaurant, because when I eat cheap restaurant, the food is very delicious. Anyway, guys, enjoy my chefing.
Delilah, why you wanna bring?
I've just washed my head and also I took shower. The point is that here in Germany, my skin is very dry, especially at the end. And so I was doing some investigation with myself, and this is really working for me. I went to buy this lotion, protect body lotion, 6%. I bought it because I feel like I need to do something with my hand. And actually, I've been using it and I have stopped scratching myself. It was really so bad for me. So let's do it. So that, and then you do that because mafuta zote zimenikataa wapenzi, unaona hivi. So unawacha moisturize, inajipeleka yenyewe, inaisha. Alafu tena kama unasikia umejikuna sana, that is before, unaweza kutumia hii. Nilinunua tu, you can go to the nini unapewa, because maji hapa iko very kuna calcium. Sasa hiyo calcium inafanya vitu unajikuna kweli. So na kama sasa vile nimefanya hivi, nitakuwa fiti. Yes, let me do it and then I show you the unaona. Then after that, because now it's in the evening at this time now, ndio niende kuchill and relax. Hey, my toner as usual.
Take time, take chance. Unwind, make plans on me. Come fly, come land on me.
Nitawafanyia skincare msijali. So I'm done. So let's go and enjoy sunset on the balcony now. Tumeshinda tukiosha, so sunset time and enjoyment.
Go do, go die, want me. Take time, take chance. Unwind, make plans on me. Come fly, make land on me.
Enjoy maisha. Cheers to the good life, cheers to the sunset, and cheers to staying tuned with me. And thank you so much for everybody who always support my journey. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. See you on the next vlog.